Hey guys, Mitch from Redwater Dodge here. Many people ask us how to update your UConnect 5 maps. And can this be done over the air? Yes, UConnect 5 can do over-the-air updates, but in Canada it's not always guaranteed for the map specifically. A lot of trucks will still need a good old USB update from the UConnect website, which honestly isn't hard. You just download the update onto a USB, plug it into the truck, and let it do its thing, and you don't touch anything while it runs. Now, do the map updates cost money? Sometimes. Most new trucks come with a trial period for free updates, but after that, depending on your system, you may have to pay for the newest map package. And here's why you actually care. Outdated maps don't just mean wrong streets. You can get bad routing, missing new highways, wrong speed limits, and navigation starts doing weird stuff in newer areas. Next big question I get, does updating it wipe your settings? No. Your presets, your profiles, your paired phones, all that stays. It's basically just updating the navigation database, not resetting the truck. So if your GPS has been sending you on the scenic route for no reason lately, you might not need a new truck. You might just need to update your maps. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 780-942-3629, and we'll do our best to help you out.